Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Already I discussed about the reactivity of ammonia and ammonia derivative. In the one of the last one, reaction with 2,4-DNP. What is the 2,4-DNP formula? That is NH2NH benzene. This is on this second position NO2, fourth position NO2. This is called at second position NO2 is 2, fourth position this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So fourth position also NO2 is there. Therefore it is called dinitro 2,4-dinitro. This is phenyl group. Phenyl, this is hydrazine part. Then this is called hydrazine. 2,4,2,4 D nitro phenyl hydrogenase 2,4-DNP. This is DNP 2,4-DNP shortcut name. Other we have to write a total name 2,4-dinitro phenyl hydrogenase. Now if you take polyhydride, one example is CH3 C double bond O H. React with this 2,4-DNP, NH2, NH. You can write up of this here because both are the second position with respect to this first one. I will write for your avoiding confusion. This one also we can write because anyway there is second position. This first, second, third, fourth one. Then here water molecule loss in presence of acidic medium. CH3CH double bond N NH NO2 along with this water molecule. This is generally orange red. Some books may be given orange, some books may be given red, some books given orange red also. Anyway, you will do in your laboratory. Practically, we can prove this is orange red or red. Something is color orange red color. You will do in your practical exams also. It is identification of aldehyde and ketone to identify carbonyl group. This is a carbonyl group. See double bond O. To find out this group, generally aldehyde ketone will give this test. Aldehyde and ketone give this test. Is also known as Brady's test, otherwise Bose anyone name. Generally this name generally may be used Bose's test or Brady's test. This is name useful for only competitive exam. Otherwise, sometimes they may ask in PUC, practical exam, viva question. What is the test name? May be asked. PUC level only this reaction. This name useful for competitive and also viva question purpose. This is acetaldehyde. This is 2,4-DNP. Then what is the name of this compound? Acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazole. Zine down into zone. Then homework for you. Now you can take the acetone, C double bond O, CH3, react with the same compound in acidic medium. Then what is the product form? In sometimes they may not add H plus also. Generally this reaction carried out in acidic medium. Not too very acid, not too basic, moderate acidic medium. Then only this reaction takes place. Otherwise, do not take. Not only this one. Reaction with ammonia, primary amine, next hydroxylamine, phenyl hydrazine, every reaction, ammonia and ammonia derivative all are undergo in weak acidic medium. This is the reaction. Keep in mind this precipitate orange red PPT. like a PPT form, and then ask the question also what is a PPT form, and next all you react to the 2,4-DMP. Then orange red PPT or orange color PPT also. Sometimes maybe even brick red color PPT also. It depends. According to text we can follow it. Okay. So all these tests are completed with the ammonia and ammonia derivatives. Next, we will discuss with the what we call primary amine completed. Now secondary amine. Primary amine part completed. Now secondary amine. Secondary amine. What is the secondary amine formula? R2NH. It is nothing but RNHR. This secondary amine is one lone pair. For example, I am taking here CH3C double bond O, CH2CH. Other one cyclic is better for your easy understanding. Always I am taking open chain. Now I take the any cyclic also. Like this. This is a ketone. This ketone reacts with the secondary amine. This also I will take now cyclic. Which amine is secondary amine? NH. NH, left side R2, right side R2. This is secondary amine. This is also undergo in presence of acidic medium. This water molecule loss, this first step, and first molecule, there is no secondary. See, came to the other day. Right. This is functional group. Here this is alpha hydrogen. Next carbon is known as which one? Alpha. Alpha carbon hydrogens are known as alpha hydrogen. Then it forms like this. This is E, this amine. Then what is called? Enamine. Double bond means what? Alkene. Ene word is there. This is amine. Ene plus amine, enamine. Generally, the textbook not that does not discuss much. Actually, according to this mechanism, one water molecule loss. See how many hydrogens here? One hydrogen. This hydrogen loss. Here also one hydrogen loss. And this oxygen. 1, 2 hydrogen and this oxygen. H2O. When lost, then one double bond form, remaining as it is. According to our textbook, TVC is not there, but maybe they will answer competitive exam. What is the product name? That is enamine. Not complete name, just pronouncing as E plus amine enamine. I am not giving this name. Only functional group name I am giving here. Okay? This is with the secondary amine. Next, tertiary amine. Tertiary amine will react or not will check. What is the tertiary amine formula? R3N with the one lone pair. This can be generally represented as N here. R, lone pair. Now here any hydrogen is present at this nitrogen? No. Here one hydrogen present. In primary amine, two hydrogen present. That's why they lost water molecule. They lost here water molecule. But to lose here water molecule or to participate in the reaction, there is no hydrogen here. That's why aldehydes are C double bond O H R aldehyde, that is aldehyde or ketone, react with the R3N. There is no reaction. No reaction. Here class 1 can give it no reaction. That's why you have identified if they give tertiary amine react with aldehyde, there is no reaction. Next, with Grignard reagent, RMGX. RMGX, what do you call this? Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. This already we studied in alcohol chapter. When aldehydes react with the Grignard reagent, formaldehyde gives primary alcohol, acetaldehyde gives secondary alcohol, and ketone gives the tertiary alcohol. So I am taking here one. Acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond O, H, first step RMGX, This is negative 4, this plus 2, this is minus. This will become to here atom and this pi bond will be shifted towards the oxygen. Then we will get here CH3 OMgX. Here H. This intermediate product form after acidic hydrolysis. Already we will learn how to do hydrolysis. More electronegative will get the less electronegative part, less electronegative will get the more electronegative part. Then you have H, this is OH. Then we will get here CH3, OH, R, H, MgX and here OH. This is which type of alcohol? Carbon-carbon. This carbon bonded with two carbons. Secondary carbon on this OH is there. That's what it is called secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. If you take ketone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is acetone. Acetone react RMgX. One of the example I will take here. R means CH3. Anyone you can take here, no problem. CH3 MgBr. This is the first step. Then we will get here same type of reaction. This negative part will attack here. This pi bond shifted towards the oxygen. Repeated this reaction. CH3 CO minus MgBr. Here CH3. Already here CH3 is there. Next step acidic hydrolysis. I don't want to do the same part. You have to understand it. Then CH3OH, CH3 along with this MgOH and Br like this one. Carbon bonded with three other carbon like they call tertiary carbon on this OH is a tertiary alcohol. Now the question. This is acidic hydrolysis. Then if you use strong acid here like H2SO4, if you use HCl, then what will be the product formation? Any difficulty with it or any other product form? That is the question I am giving for you. You have to think here. What will form the product if you use H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4? If you use HCl or any other parabolic sulfonic acid, like if you use, then what will be the product? That also we have to take. This is only form or any other product form. Okay, this will be ignored. Now one of the example here. This is one ketone with the both side bulky group. React with the R and GX. This is the first step. Second step is acid hydrolysis. What is the product form? Right? Because already explained. What is the product form? Form or not, that also you have to decide. Same reactant. RELI is first step. Second step is acid hydrolysis. Because already somewhere I told you that what type of reaction with the Grignard agent is there. That also same like that. Between RLI also shows the reaction like the RMgX. In the previous section already explaining the preparation of aldehydes and ketone. But here, what is the product form? Formation possible or not? If not possible, what is the reason? If possible, which type of product is formed? Any other product formation is there or you have to check. Next one. Here also what is the product form? These are the questions for you as a homework. 1, 2, 3 questions. Now, reaction. already we discussed this reduction reaction in the alcohol chapter and what are the reducing agents also they have discussed. So same reducing agent we are utilizing here. Now I am taking one on here, CH3, C double bond H. So first one I am taking here, first lithium aluminum hydride. Actually it is taken like this. Don't confuse, actually taken like first step is lithium aluminum hydride, second step is H2O plus acetic hydroxide. But always like this may not be represented. If like is also given, you have to understand these two steps are involved. Okay, that's why carefully you have to think. These main both steps here included, you have to consider. Not given also you have to consider. Okay, now. This one part converted into CH3, CH2OH. Less number of hydrogen, here more number of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen, that is reduction. If you take here sodium borohydride, again it forms the same alcohol CH3, CH2OH. Next, anyone nickel hydrogen. That also form CH3, CH2OH. Actually, these are separate H. Again, I have written here, but why you are writing them? This one again, no need to write. Same reaction. Next, sodium in ethyl alcohol. ETOH means what is it? Ethyl alcohol. Again, it is the same product CH3, CH2OH. Next, what is it? Metal in acids. Metal in acid. For example, zinc in HCl, Sm in HCl, zinc in HCl or acid in HCl. Next, Fe in HCl. Any one you can use, not all at a time. Generally, these are used for metal in acids. Then this is also converted into CH3, CH2OH. Next, red phosphorus plus HI. Here alcohol, here there is no alcohol formation. CH3, CH3. Alkane will form. This is very important. One more thing also I will tell you that red phosphorus plus HI, any functional group, any whatever we discuss, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, and esters, acid chloride, all are converted to alkane. All are converted to alkane. If 2 carbon is a 2 carbon alkane, 3 carbon is a 3 carbon alkane, like this they will form. Next, like anyone reducing agents are they will form all are here primary alcohol except this one. Now if you take ketone, all these are which alcohol? Primary alcohol. But this is not primary alcohol, this is alkane, its name ethane. If you take here CH3, C double bond O CH3, this is called acetone. Same, first step I am taking here, lithium aluminum hydride. Then what is the product form? This is aldehyde, this is primary alcohol form. This is ketone, that's its form, secondary alcohol. Which alcohol this is? Secondary alcohol. Here also you have to take second step is the acetic hydrolysis, but I am not referring to, you have to consider here. Then here sodium borohydride. Here first step sodium borohydride, second step what is it? Acetic hydrolysis not represented also, you have to consider here second step acetic hydrolysis is present. Then here the same form, same product, don't know right? Same product. Next, nickel hydrogen. Here acetic hydrolysis is not there. Here also acetic hydrolysis is not there. Only nickel hydrogen or platinum or palladium, anyone. Then this will be C, same product. No need to write same. Next, sodium in ethyl alcohol. Here also there is no acetic hydrolysis. Only for these two, only second step H3O plus, second step. But remaining there is no. Next, here also same product form. Next, metal acid also same. Metal and acid, that is generally dilute acids. Same product form, secondary alcohol. But here, red phosphorus plus HI, all functional groups are generally converted to which form? Alkane. Then here CH3, CH2, CH3. Alkane. 3 carbon compound is 3 carbon alkane. Now one homework I am giving for you. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Like this one compound here. For this, NaBD4. First step, second step H3O plus. This is D, not H. BD4. Next, second here is one. Another one is first step NaBH4. Second step is acid hydrolysis. Next, first one here palladium. Palladium selenium here somewhat poisonous. Only palladium like this nickel hydrogen or palladium hydrogen if you use, it is not poison. In the last class in Rosenberg reduction somewhere I discussed there with barium sulfate or calcium carbonate phenolic that used for poison to the catalyst. Here carbon also given somewhat poison to this catalyst. It reduces its activity. Then what is the product form? When it is one equivalent, it means one more equivalent. If you use excess palladium carbon, excess, then what is the product form? These are the question homework for you, because why I am giving here not discussed somewhere, but also I given me it is present in the first year also, because that time you will study alkene. If you don't know, again we will discuss. There is no problem. So all your unknown questions also you don't bother about that. This is only PhD level. There is no much difficulty. This is about the reduction. Reduction you want addition of hydrogen. One more reduction, sir. One more reduction. These are new reaction. Compulsory. It may ask in your PhD exam. 1A Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Aldehydes are ketones. Aldehydes or ketone react with the hydrazine. Already now, last class we discussed. Aldehyde or ketone react with the hydrazine. They form hydrazone. The formed hydrazone in basic medium at high temperature convert to alkene. This statement I am not writing. Once again I am telling here. Aldehyde or ketone react with which one? Hydrazine. Hydrazines are converted to which form? Hydrazone. These hydrazines are easily converted to alkane when you are heating with the base, there is strong base only required, not weak base. So hydrazines are converted to alkane in presence of strong base at high temperature. Clear? Aldehydes, ketone react with the hydrazine, they form hydrazone. The hydrazone easily converted to alkane in presence of strong base at very high temperature. And we have used the solvent here which are having high boiling point. Otherwise, the reaction will be handled easier. So now one example. CH3 and one more easy to identify for you. C double bond O is converted to which form here? CH2. This reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction is what is it? C double bond O is converted to CH2. This is the one trick how to remember that. See. This is CH3, C double bond O, H. This is aldehyde. Which aldehyde this is? Acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde react with the hydrazine. They may give like this NH2NH2, otherwise N to H4. In presence of strong base, KY strong base, high temperature means you have to consider this delta. High temperature means delta. Okay? Then it forms C double bond CH3, C double bond is this point is converted to which one? CH2, this H. But this totally what you can say? CH3, CH3. CH2 plus H, what is it? CH. Then this is called alkane. What is alkane name here? Ethane. Clear this is? I am not writing any here. Textbook followed here. PUC example, this was enough. One more. Last CH3, C double bond O, Cl. Now this N2 NH2 will be written as N2H4, that is hydrazine, and this is NaOH or KOH. I will use now NaOH, no problem, and heat. Here high boiling point solvents are required. That also I told you that is called ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. Here also you get ethylene glycol, because why it is having high boiling point? More than one hydroxyl groups are present. Hydrogen bond increases, hydrogen bond increases, their boiling point also increases. Studied in Malcolm chapter. Now, see CH3, CH3. Both sides CH3, C double bond is going to which form? CH2. What is the name of this compound? Propane. Propane. Now the twist. Here the twist is double bond O Cl with the same reagent. What is the product? Now, if like these compounds are here, this form is what you call acetal. Already we discussed with the aldehyde ketone react with alcohol, they form acetal. Now this ketone. Then what is the product form we have this? Why? This form is reacting with this or not? Whatever the reagent given, this is already being reacted from alkane. But this what will happen? It remains same or it may